Hello and good morning. Today we're going to be learning about the alphabet. Please take a seat on the carpet. Alright, so before we begin, I want to hear you say the alphabet in order for me. Can you start from the first letter and tell me the alphabet? Great job. You all did amazing. That was wonderful. Alright, so now let's go through the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. All right, so now that we've gone over the alphabet, today we're going to be doing an interactive read aloud. And the book that we will be reading today is Alphabet Under Construction by Denise Fleming. Now I'm going to allow some time for you guys to take a closer look at the book cover. Now, by looking at the title, what can you tell me about this book? That's right, we are going to be learning about the alphabet. And can anybody find a theme for this book? Good job, it has to do with construction. So it's Alphabet Under Construction. Now take another look and see what other details you can find. Alright, so by raising your hand, who can tell me what kind of objects or characters did you see in the cover of this book? Good job. All right, now let's look at the list of what is on this book. So we have a hammer, we have a ruler, we have a button, we have a nail, some glue, a saw, a brush, a needle, a roll of string or yarn. We have this big box. We have a mouse. We have yellow caution tape in the back. And then there's measuring tape. And here's a list of what is on the cover of the book. All right, so let's get into the book. Mouse airbrushes the A. There's the A and there's the mouse airbrushing, and that is the air. Buttons the B. There's buttons on the letter B. Carves a C. There's the mouse carving the C. Dies the D. The mouse is dyeing the letter D. Erases the E. The mouse has an eraser erasing the letter E. Folds the F. The mouse is folding the letter F. Glue the G. The mouse is gluing the G together. Hangs the H. the mouse is hanging the H. Ices the I, the mouse is icing the I. Judges the J, the mouse is judging the letter J. Kinks the K, the mouse is kinking the K. Levels the L, the mouse is leveling the letter L. Measuring the M, the mouse is measuring the letter N. Nails the N, the mouse is nailing the letter N. Okays the O, the mouse okays the letter O. Prunes the P, the mouse is pruning the letter P. Quilts the Q, the mouse is quilting the letter Q. Rolls the R, the mouse is rolling paint onto the letter R. Saws the S, the mouse is sawing the letter S. Tiles the T, the mouse is putting tiles on the letter T. Unrolls the U, the mouse is unrolling the letter U. Vacuums the V, the mouse is vacuuming the letter V. Welds the W, the mouse is welding the letter W. X-rays the X, the mouse is X-raying the letter X. Yanks the Y, the mouse is yanking the letter Y. And zips the Z, the mouse is zipping the letter Z. And that is our alphabet under construction. Okay, so to end the lesson, we will do a little pair activity. So everybody, I will assign you in partners. Look to your right, and that is your partner. So the activity for today, if you are at home or if you are in a classroom, I will ask you to find 5 to 7 objects that you like to use in the classroom or at home. And then tell me the name of the object, or tell the name of the object to your partner. What letter does this object start with? And what is the sound of the first letter? All right, so now that you've had time with that activity, we're going to go over the alphabet once more, but this time we're going to do the sound to each letter. So A, the sound for the letter A is A. B, the sound for the letter B is B. C, K. D, D. E, E. F, F. G, G. H, I, I. J, J. K, K. L, O. M, M. N, N. O, O. P, P. Q, Q. R, R. S, S. T, T. U, V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. And Z, Z. All right, well, you guys did amazing today, and that wraps up our lesson. Have a good day.